Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a super long time, well overdue. So I kind of have like a better setup than before. I'm still using my iPhone, but I have this like ring light thing, so hopefully I look okay. I'm also in a different location, so that's cool. I think it's a lot prettier than my old one. I actually just got done watching an Edward Avila video with Eddie. I'm not sure what Eddie's name is or what his channel is, but he's in a dance group. He does K-pop dance covers, and they did a look with Jeffree Star's Blood Sugar palette, and I really liked it, and I want to try and do something similar. I have no idea what colors Avila used on Eddie, but I will try my best. So the first color I'm going to go in is going to be this color right here. It is called Cherry Soda, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid and like kind of blend it outwards. This past week, I've been sick. I had a cold. I like started out like dry heaving, and then I had a really bad sore throat. And then I kind of had like this runny nose that I'm still hasn't gone away. But because I'm not able to breathe through my mouth when I'm sleeping, and my room's upstairs in the house that I live in, I can't breathe through my nose, so I've been mouth breathing, and it like split my lip, and it's so sore. Okay, so when I do my eyes, I kind of fill in this area, and then I kind of like blend it out a little bit that way. It kind of elongates your eye, and then I feel like when you do winged eyeliner, it kind of just accents that really nicely. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take this color called Cake Mix, and I'm gonna lightly like blend it out on the top with the red. Okay, so for the like outer V or sides edges of my eye, I'm going to mix this like maroon color called Fresh Meat with this brown color called something that I cannot pronounce. So before I finish off my eyes, I am going to go in and do my face. And the reason that I'm taking a break from my eyes and doing my face now is because I still need to do the underneath of my eyes, and you don't want to put eyeshadow there and then put your foundation on or concealer. And then I'm actually going to be adding glitter as well, and I don't want that to be underneath. For my foundation, I don't actually use foundation. I use a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea concealer. I just think that this matches my skin really well, and I think it's enough coverage for me to be used as foundation. Before the video, I actually went ahead and primed my face, so it's already primed. 현실이 믿기지 않아 잠에 섞게 무슨 말인지 알지 가끔씩 두려워져 정신없이 달려오니 다시 난 너의 품속 넌 날 믿어 난 매기도 하고 있어 넌 날 믿어 하늘 위로 날고 싶어 Let me hear you say. Okay. So now that my foundation is on, I'm going to go in with a brush like this. Not sure what kind of brush this is. It's from BH Cosmetics. And I'm gonna put that first shade, Cherry Soda, on the bottom of my eye. So as I mentioned before, I'm actually going to be putting a glitter on, and I'm going to be using this. It is called Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild, and the shade is Goldilocks. I'm just gonna be putting that like mostly towards the inner corner and then underneath my lash line. I also guess this is kind of suiting. Like, I don't celebrate Lunar New Year, but today's Lunar New Year. And aren't the colors like red and gold? I might have just sounded like an idiot saying that, but I'm pretty sure those are the colors. And I'm not applying this in any like particular way, just kind of whatever I think looks okay. And after I apply it, I'm kind of just like patting it, just so it's not super intense. And I'm gonna take it right under my lash line here. Really like how this looks. I think this is kind of like a trendy thing to do in Korea because I see Edward Avila do it a lot on his makeup looks, and he does a lot of like Korean inspired look or Korean makeup. So that is it for the eye makeup so far. You can go ahead and apply eyeliner if you would like. I don't think I'm going to be applying any today. I've been really enjoying eyeshadow without eyeliner lately, so. But next I'm going to be going in with mascara, and I'm going to be going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex, and then back in with the Milk Makeup Kush mascara.
오늘도 나의 하루가 어김없이 너로 시작돼 밤에 잠은 잘 자니 난 가끔 현실이 믿기지 않아 잠에서 깨 무슨 말인지 알지 가끔씩 두려워져 정신없이 달려오니 다시 난 너의 품속 넌 날 믿어 난 매일 기도하고 있어.
I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my bottom lashes as well, but I'm gonna do that off camera because the face I make is really ugly. So I'm gonna try and wear some lashes. It's probably not gonna work out well, but we'll try it.
우리 시간을 마치 손에 겨워 태양이 교체되는 it
This one a lot smoother than I thought. I might have some pizza bagels. I had pizza bagels for dinner last night with my friend. They were so good. I got my nails done like 2 weeks ago. And of course I've had my nails done before. But this is the longest I've ever kept my nails on. I usually get really irritated with them by like the end of the first week, and I rip them off. But I've been resisting the urge. I was like having a panic attack one night, and I don't know why, but I was like, I'm gonna rip them off. I'm gonna rip them off. And luckily I like lost my fingernail clippers, so I couldn't rip them off. They're really nice. Like, I feel so good with them on. Like, I just feel like that bitch. But yeah, there's just some things I can't do, and I feel incompetent. Okay, so while this lash is drying, I am going to go ahead and put on some lipstick. This is my all-time favorite right now. It is Daddy by Jeffree Star. I'm gonna put this on the center of my lips and then blend it out. And to further like enhance my lips and make it kind of go along with the eyes a little bit, I'm going to use this wine lip tint and put that in the center and then also blend it out.
넌 행복하니 난 행복해 눈 뜨는 아침마다 난 매일 같아 눈부신 햇살이 다 날 위한 것만 같아 오늘도 나의 하루가 어김없이 너로 시작돼 밤에 잠은 잘 자니.
Okay, and this is the finished look. Normally I would apply highlighter, but like, to be really honest with you guys, my highlighter is in a bin all the way over there and I really don't want to move. So yes, this is the look. I actually really like it, and I really like these lashes. It's the first time I've ever used them. I got them from Wish, so anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and hopefully I can start doing some more really soon. Yeah, bye.